Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dede Rahmat. We will explain about presentation nuclear and radiation disaster. Nuclear reaction is chemistry reaction from uranium and platinum which splits and two combination to atom for something and later known as nuclear fusion reaction and nuclear fission reaction. Nuclear reactions are the place where the nuclear fission reaction nuclear or known as a controlled fission can reaction. The main part of a nuclear reaction are full to element to control root, moderator, cooler, and silent. A fission can reaction occur when the nucleus of the split element uranium-235 uranium-233 reaction with thermal or slowness which will product or element with an impedance and generates that energy and new reaction. Reaction nuclear full as the energy source is contained or reactor which is like uranium-235 uranium is raised up so that radioactive result from fission reaction remain solid, not radiated out. Moderator function. Moderator function the redoubts and neutron energy from high energy to thermal energy low through collision in a fission reaction. The neutron product have high energy whereas the product fission the neutron have a thermal energy low which is approximately 00 to 5 eV. Thus, the condition that must be met as a moderator are each neutron which collect is to loss the largest possible gases. Usually, the moderator material caution is element whose mass number are small. For example, H2O lighted water, D2O heavy water, and graphite as well as cooling color. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Introduce, my name Reja. Here I will explain the positive effect of nuclear. Okay? In the field of hydrology, the use of nuclear is to test the speed of river mud flow. Radioisotope can be used to measure water dangers, usually sodium-24, which is used in the form of NaCl. The intensity of nuclear radiation can also be used as a leak detector in underground fields. Radioisotope Na-24 can emit gamma ray that can be detected directly by using a Geiger counter radioactive counter. Health sector application in the medical field by using technology can generally be divided into two, namely diagnosis and radiation therapy. X-ray, for example, are used in the treatment of cancer-related areas. This centenary is a development of nuclear technology so far by scientists. It also can be used to search for radioactive traces in the human body by using technetium provided by organic molecule and various other applications. Okay, thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Aksal Putra. I will explain about advantages of nuclear and disadvantages of nuclear. Advantages of nuclear. The biggest advantage of nuclear energy is that greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, and chlorofluorocarbon are not released during nuclear reaction. Greenhouse gases are a big threat because they cause global warming and climate change. Air pollution combustion of fuel coil causes carbon dioxide production. This is a threat to environment and the lives of the all creatures. The production of natural energy does not emit smoke. Then there is no air pollution The disposal of radioactive waste is a big problem. Full nuclear reactor use uranium as fuel. The fusion reaction of small amount of uranium produces and large amount of energy. Although currently the discovered reserve of aluminum are only estimated to last for 100 years, and the use of the energy does not depend on the oil fuel must be anticipated in the mind. Disadvantages of nuclear radiation leakage is one of the biggest weaknesses of nuclear energy. Radiation contact with the environment result in severe damage to ecosystem and loss of life. Although nuclear reaction produce large amount of energy. Nuclear reactor depend on the uranium, which is a limited fuel. Once finished, the nuclear reactor will continue to occupy the environment and pollute the environment. Nuclear weapon, this energy can be used to produce and proliferate nuclear weapons. And nuclear weapon use fusion or a combination of both reaction for damaging. Thank you everyone.
My name is Ajeng Angkeliani. Here I will explain about energy nuclear in Indonesia. Currently Indonesia also does not have a single nuclear power plant too, including there is no export and import of electricity in Indonesia. However, the issue of making nuclear power plant has been actively studied by the government of Indonesia since 1997. In 2006, the government of Indonesia decided to support the development of nuclear energy in Indonesia. Under the Indonesia government's program, by 2025, 4 nuclear power plants will be built. The cooperation agreement that was signed at Atom Expo directly put forward the issue of the construction of nuclear power plant in Indonesia by involving Russian companies. For this country, Indonesia, without a doubt, nuclear energy is a suitable choice. Rosatom is currently working with partners in Indonesia in developing project and developing multifunctional research reactor design concept. In this case, there are also a number of files to develop cooperative relation in the future, said Rosatom Deputy Managing Director for International Business and Development Division.